All right, let us dive into this. If you're someone who refuses to settle for lag, choppy gameplay, or sluggish creative work, then the MSI Vector 16HX feels like the machine your instincts have been telling you to go for. Before anything else, take a moment to check the current price and availability. Laptops this capable tend to sell through fast whenever demand spikes. You've had that experience, firing up your older rig only to watch loading bars creep, fans scream, or frames stutter just when you expected smooth responsiveness. That moment where you realize you've been managing performance instead of experiencing it, that's the exact point when an upgrade stops being optional. When I first powered on this laptop, it wasn't just faster. It was clarity. It was confidence. It was the end of guessing whether my hardware could keep up. This machine doesn't just handle gains. It owns them. Titles that used to hiccup now unfold fluidly at high refresh. That 240 Hz QHD plus panel isn't just numbers. It's motion so smooth your reactions feel sharper, your immersion deeper. But it's not just gaming, creative workloads, 3D rendering, video timelines. They breathe. There's no pause, no hesitation, no maybe later. Just results. In everyday life, it feels like the laptop that never asks, "Are you sure?" You open heavy projects, load multiple demanding apps, toggle between work and play, and nothing flinches. The kind of responsiveness you can feel under your fingertips starts to reshape how you plan your day. It's not just faster, it removes friction from every task. If you're rethinking about waiting for some better deal, here's an honest thought. Spec chasing rarely feels as good as actually owning the performance you want right now. Don't let stock dips or price swings be the reason you stick with something that already feels old. You might worry about size or heat with such power packed in it, but what surprised me most was how composed it stays. Fans that feel controlled rather than frantic. Power delivered with poise. There's a refinement here that contradicts the stereotype of loud, bulky gaming rigs. It's a powerhouse. Yes, but it's thoughtful, too. There's a subtle pride that comes with this level of ownership. It's not flashy. It's assured. And every time you glance at lesser laptops, you remember why you didn't settle, because deep down, you already know what real performance feels like. Precision that feels instantaneous, visuals that stay sharp, and fluid power that respects your pace, responsiveness that never hesitates, performance that feels like controlled battery life leans toward performance. Premium machine priced for power. At some point you stop comparing lists and choose what already felt right. Don't let this upgrade slip into the wish I'd done it sooner category. Check the price, see if it is still available, and make the confident choice your intuition has been pushing you toward.